Hello friends, welcome back to Android App Stars. Recently, Google Play updated its homepage. And it's not anything groundbreaking like they did before a couple years back, but they did add some new features to the homepage. I'm going to just show you what it looks like now and a picture of what it looked like before. And basically what it is this little menu right here near the top right here. So if you haven't noticed it, let's go click on a few of the features it has here, and it's one thing, it's the same across all the different genres, the games, the movies, and it still has the same little menu bar right here near the top. And for the other genres, I really haven't used it that much, just on the apps part of it. So if I go back to the home and I use it for the apps, so you notice that the top charts has its own menu button right here now. And another one that didn't have it before, but was the editor's choice. Now you have a button to go straight to the editor's choice and view the apps that these are basically the best of the best, when the ones that the Google Play editors choose as being the top apps. So they have their own section now. Before, you would see it mixed in with the other apps, and you would see it top editor's choice. But now you can go straight to it. You don't have to search for it. And another one I like is the early access. Now these are apps that are beta apps that you can try them out now, and they have their own button now. You don't have to search for them, or they're not randomly appear in the search. So now you can go straight to them. If you like checking out new apps that hasn't been released yet fully, and this beta apps, this is a great one right for you right here. Those are the two main things differently that I know about it. It's like I said, the overall view of the Google Play page is pretty much the same. Other than that, and well, I guess the For You apps, these are pretty much suggested apps based on apps that you've already downloaded in your history. So it'll give recommendations based on that. But it's a slight change that Google Play has made to their homepage. And tell me what you think about this, and I think it's very useful. And leave a comment below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again next time.